Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to talk about all-time highs. You know, there's some all-time highs in the market today, but before we do that, we will get right into the portfolio. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as for the day here, we are going to go through some news. But for the day, we are down $68.99, down 1%, with the portfolio closing out at $7,795.37. For the week here, as it loads, we're up, what's that say, $124.63, up 2% in the last week. For the month, we're up $230.34, up 3% for the last month. And for the 3 months, as we keep on going, we're up $240.08, up 3% in the last 3 months. For the 1 year, as it loads, we're up $1,263.18, up a whopping 19% over there. And for the all, since starting this portfolio, we're up $1,261.19. So nothing's really changed in the portfolio here, guys. As you know, the style of the video has changed because right now I'm in Toronto. I'm probably gonna go visit the Toronto Stock Exchange, take a picture, do those sort of things, but still posting up the videos. So today's news, well, really, we've had 3 all-time highs literally in the past day here, and 2 of them are ones that we own, and they are in the financial sector. So if we're talking like Toronto Dominion Bank TD, which is a great growth bank for a lot of people, one of the favorites, one of the big 5 in Canada here. We hit an all-time high in that position at $90.60. And so if we go down to Toronto Dominion Bank, which is right here, open that position. Obviously, we're using the windowed version of Wealthsimple Trade. We have 6 shares of that. Total position value of $541.80. Average price of getting in is $77.25 Canadian, and it holds about 7.05% of the portfolio. All-time performance is 16.9%. This company is worth $162 billion. And so today it did hit an all-time high of 90.60, not 90.70. Well, might have touched it for a few seconds there, but we're seeing some great growth within the financial sector. And so if we go ahead and head back, once I figure out how to get back, we will head to the portfolio, and we'll talk about the second one, which is Bank of Montreal. Sorry, this computer is super old and it's a bit slow. There it is. So we'll go into 10 positions that we have in tax-free savings account. I don't know if I like this layout with Wealthsimple Trade, and I don't know if there is a dark version for this, but we'll head in there. But just talk about Bank of Montreal. It did reach an all-time high. It hit $137.41, and this is the second time it's hit another all-time high. I think it was last week, Bank of Montreal did hit an all-time high as well, which is just awesome to see. Bank of Montreal is one of the oldest banks in Canada. It is one of my largest. Is it one of my larger positions? Probably one of my larger positions, and so that is good to hear. So 2 out of the 5 are all-time highs, and it did hit an all-time high of 137.41. But while this is loading, if it ever loads, I don't know if it will, it'll just be a white screen. Must be the Wi-Fi or something. But the other news that's in the marketplace, seems like everyone seems to be talking about, is Tesla. Tesla is not in this portfolio. As you know, Tesla is in my private portfolio, but it hit an all-time high today at $1,055.58, and it wasn't that long ago. It was about last year that we surpassed that $1,000 mark with Tesla, and it went all the way up to about $2,500 pre-split, and everything split. So now we're in the post-split, and we're back up to that 4-digit number, which is fantastic, which makes Tesla a trillion dollar company. So it's part of the trillionaire club, and there's some good news coming out of Tesla. Their last market quarterly earnings, they were fantastic. They beat expectations in the market, which is great. And then also the other news is Hertz. Now Hertz did go bankrupt for this year, and for some reason a lot of people, and I imagine it's the Wall Street bets guys, who are thinking that that Hertz is still good, and Hertz just put in a vehicle order of 100,000 Tesla vehicles for their business, which is typically a rental kind of business for vehicles, and that just boosts up Tesla numbers as well, because that's 100,000 vehicles for Tesla to be made and probably paid on a accounts receivable account, I'd imagine, and not being able to pay it all at once, because Hertz is still struggling financially, but they are making a little bit of a comeback here. And so that is some really good news for Tesla. So if you are a Tesla holder, congratulations on all-time highs. I am not going to sell myself. I'm not going to sell my position in Tesla or anything like that. And so that is probably the biggest news. The other news is Trump's SPAC. So if you don't know what a SPAC is, it's a special acquisition company. And Donald Trump did, I might get in trouble for this, but he did start a company and did a SPAC. And I do believe it's for like a social media thing. Don't know too much about it, but we're doing a little bit of current events if you're following the market and big news in the marketplace. And so now that this screen is loaded, we'll head into BMO here. So today's price closed out at $137.89. We're up 63 cents today. Did hit that all-time high earlier today at 137.41, where it kind of stabilized. Closed out today, but looked like it hit 138. We have 8 shares of this, total position value of $1,100 roughly, and it holds about 14% of the portfolio, which is a large chunk. Remember, we are trying to get the portfolio positions down to about 10% per position. Market cap on this one's $88 billion, one of the big 5 in Canada. PE ratio is really strong there with 12.9. But that is pretty much it, guys. Bank of Montreal, TD, and big news from Tesla. Those were the 3 shares that hit all-time highs in my whole investing portfolio, and not just Wealthsimple Trade. So we do have our $100 in there today. I do believe it went in yesterday, but that'll be ready for trade on Friday, and we will be continuing to increase our positions in certain ones to balance out the portfolio. But if you guys haven't made it this far in the video, thank you, I appreciate it. And all I ask, because if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, I guess my only question to you is why aren't you subscribed? And if you aren't subscribed but you are watching these videos, comment down below and tell me why, because I'd like to know why, so that I can continue to improve, grow the channel, and really get all this information out to you guys. And also, don't forget to leave a like. Well, leave a comment, but smash a like. It's completely optional, but it's completely free. And again, just leave a comment down below on maybe why you're not subscribed. But other than that, guys, have a great rest of your week. I'm gonna go out and eat with my fam, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.